Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a secure folder and lock apps on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025, and it's the same also for the other new Samsung Galaxy phones with One UI7. And to create a secure folder on these phones, you need to go to settings, and here scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Scroll down again and tap on more security settings. And here we have secure folder. Tap on it. And here you can maintain your privacy and enhance your productivity. To do this, just tap continue. And you need some permissions for secure folders from calendar and contacts. Just tap continue again, and now creating the secure folder. You need to wait for a few seconds. And now it's over, and you need to set a pattern, pin or password. Just tap done. I will choose a pin, and I will enter 3210. Continue, use anyway, 3210. Okay. And now you can allow lock reset with Samsung account, and also it's enable the fingerprint. Okay, now just tap next. And this is the secure folder. Appears also here in the menu. This is the folder. Okay. And here we have already some apps, but you can add apps easily from here. Just select your favorite one. Let's say, for example, Facebook and Spotify, and then just tap add. And here are my new apps. Okay, now if you tap on these three dots and tap on settings, here we have auto lock secure folder. Now it's check lock automatically when screen turns off, but you can check each time I leave the app. And now if I exit and I will go to the secure folder, you need to enter your PIN each time. Okay. Now, also you can use your fingerprint to access the secure folder. And if you want to add another app each time, tap on the plus sign, select your app. You can download from the Play Store or from the Galaxy Store, select it and add it to your secure folder. Let's add, for example, also YouTube. Now, these apps are new apps without any account on it, and you need to enter your own account. And this one is different from the Facebook app from all apps. Okay. Now, if you want to add some pictures here, just go to the gallery. Okay, we don't have any picture right now, but go to the folder, to the gallery folder, and here just select your photo and tap on these three dots, move to the secure folder, use your fingerprint, and now, as you can see, here in the secure folder, in gallery, we have the picture. So it is very easy in my opinion. And also you can do it with contacts or with your files. Also, we have the option that this app, to add it to the home, just tap add, and the app Facebook from the secure folder was added here. And this is different from this Facebook, because you can select another account on this one, and you can't access only if you know the PIN or you can use it the fingerprint. So this was my video for today. Please leave me in the comment area what do you think about it and how it's working for you. And also I hope this video to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.